How to make a hand-stitched coaster. Download the PDF on our website for more information on what you need, fabric recommendations, and tips before you start. Also included is a free PDF pattern. Before you start, decide which look you'd prefer on the top of the coaster: intricate embroidery or a simple line design. To start, select and cut your desired pattern piece shape. There are 4 shapes to choose from. Included in the pattern PDF, there will be a coordinating batting pattern piece within the pattern. The solid line indicates the fabric pattern and the dotted line indicates the batting pattern. If you choose to make the View A intricate embroidery look, cut out one pattern piece and cut a square of fabric for the other piece. Trace the pattern piece in the center of the square. Place the fabric square inside of the embroidery hoop and create your desired design with embroidery floss. After you've completed the embroidery, cut out the pattern shape. For both views, fuse the batting to the wrong side of the fabric. That will be used as the top side of the coaster. Place the right sides of the fabric pieces together. Pin the sides. Stitch 1/2 inch from the edge. Leave an opening. Turn the fabric inside out and finger press. For View B's simple line designs, mark with the chalk where you would like the embroidery line design to go. Stick the needle in from inside between the layers of fabric and batting. The needle should go through the batting and out through the top of the fabric to start. Follow the chalk lines, weaving in and out of all layers of fabric and batting. Finish the embroidery by tying a knot in between the layers of fabric for a clean finish. Hand stitch the opening closed with a regular needle and thread. This step may be skipped if using a blanket stitch. Check out the blanket stitch tutorial on our YouTube channel. This project is now complete. Your coaster is ready to be placed under your favorite cup. Share your creation on Facebook and Instagram at fabricland.canada.